Greetings everyone and welcome back. The Rebellion Alliance has R2-D2 and I have a 3D printer, an ESP32 and a questionable amount of free time. The result is this stationary unit D2.
Wow! Beautiful!
An R2-D2 inspired interactive desk organizer and a pen holder that brings authentic astromech sounds and a whole lot of Star Wars energy to your workspace. This isn't just a 3D printed R2-D2 looking pen holder. It's an interactive web connected DeX terminal powered by an ESP32 P4 dev board. Every 20 seconds it plays a unique sequence of astromech beeps and chirps. Astromechs are a class of utility and maintenance droid from Star Wars, with R2-D2 being the most famous example. Rather than speaking a conventional language, astromechs communicate using combination of electronics beep, whistles, chirps and tones. These sounds form a unique communication system, often referred to by fans as droid speaks or astromech language. While most humans in Star Wars universe cannot understand these sounds directly, certain characters and other droids are able to interpret them. The distinctive mix of beeps and whistles give astromech their expressive personalities, allowing them to convey emotions such as excitement, curiosity, concern, or frustration without speaking actual words. We use math to pick random frequencies, so it sounds like droid is actually thinking or muttering to itself, making it feel truly alive. Now, the web interface is where the real fun happens. Through the web app, we can play GIFs on ESP32's P4 display, trigger a cinematic Star Wars style quote on display, or even use the text to astromech converter to make droid speak any message. I also wanted to make it easy to use, so I added a switchboard on top. One button triggers fun Easter egg songs I coded in. While the second buttons let me instantly toggle screen between radar UI and my favorite GIFs. By the way, the switchboard PCB was provided by PCBWay. I designed the PCB in my PCBCAD software, then sent it to PCBWay for samples. PCBs were received within a week, and the quality was amazing. Over the past 10 years, PCBWay has built a strong reputation for providing reliable PCB manufacturing and assembly services, becoming a go-to choice for engineers and makers worldwide. They also offer CNC machining and 3D printing services. Do check them out. The entire model was designed in Fusion 360. While this project is heavily inspired by R2-D2, I didn't follow the original design entirely. I completely ditched the traditional cylindrical body in favor of a flat body that closely resembles the iconic droid. For internals, I incorporated a Waveshare ESP32P4 development board, which features a 4.7-inch display positioned slightly off center. My idea was to print a blue screen on the display with red circle that resembles R2-D2. To capture that authentic droid aesthetic, I modeled some greeble parts, which I will be printing in blue and the body will be printed in white. On the backside, I added a custom lid part that functions as a pen holder. By the way, I have prepared a thorough build guide that covers the complete build process, including the code, construction steps, wiring and other technical details. The project is now live on Hackster.io, so be sure to check it out. Here is the final result. A fully functional talking R2-D2 themed text bot that doubles as a handy pen holder. You can store your pens and stuff on the back while the droid keep you company at your desk. The front screen displays a striking blue background with a red circle that symbolizes R2-D2's eye, which blinks whenever the droid speaks. It's a perfect blend of utility and personality. A true desk companion that feels like it come to life right in front of you. Using the web app, we can do a lot of things, such as playing GIFs, as well as using text to astromech converter tool, which is one of the most fun features. This tool can convert regular text into sequence of astromech style beeps, whistles and chirps, allowing user to create their own custom droid message and sound effect. This is it for this video. Special thanks if you made it this far. The project article is now live on hackster.io if you want to learn more about this project, including the complete build process, code, wiring and other technical details. If you enjoyed this project, make sure to hit the subscribe button. And I will be back with a brand new project real soon. Peace out.